All right, so this is the alumni module here, and you'll see I'm at the district alumni, and I'm actually just gonna log out so I can go ahead and register. So let me register. And yeah, it's this really long form that I have to fill out just to register as an alumni. So I'll say Mr. Alex Cruz Burden Avila, former last name, I don't really have one. Male, 2018. Uh, 401 Business Park South, Bakersfield, California. Um, let's put US there. And the school that was attended. So notice in school attended, these are all the schools that are listed on your actual account. So this is how alumni register. And it says you successfully registered for the alumni directory. Now let me log in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to site config, open up the alumni manager, and you'll see there are two here. It looks like there was a duplication, or I might have tried it before with the exact same information. So let's go ahead and approve. And let's go ahead and go back to the alumni module. So this particular form here, you notice I clicked register last time, but this particular form is actually searched through people who have already registered as alumni. So let me go ahead and just say 2018, search. And there's just one Mr. Alex Burden Avila, and it gives you all the information about that alumni. So this is how the alumni manager works, just kind of not necessarily keeping track, but a less stalkery version of that is kind of you know keeping everyone in remembrance basically. And that's exactly how the alumni manager or the alumni module works.